In case you were wondering, literally no one was excited to find out that these were fried mushrooms instead of fried chicken. If you couldn't tell. Delicious though.
Okay, but seriously, I absolutely loved these. I was still talking about it like 5 days later. So there you go. I mean, I do talk a lot for no reason, so maybe that has to do with it. Anyways, you just kind of bake them. I was gonna fry them, but that just seemed like too much work. And then you have to top it with buffalo and ranch, and then you just eat it up all together. 100% would eat this again and again.